Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 9. With their minds wholly resting in me, with their senses absorbed in me, enlightening one another and ever speaking of me, they are satisfied and delighted.
Chapter 10, Shloka 9. Macchitta madgata prana vodayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanti cha.
Chapter 10, Shloka 9. What is tremorless yoga and how to attain it has been explained. Now, what will be the path like is explained. Arjuna is a practical man and wants to live what he knows. He can become better even while he is performing his own duty. Only with the mind integrated into a single pointedness can a seeker meditate upon the Supreme. Single pointed is lost if the mind is entertaining more than one idea. As one effortlessly remembers that all mud pots are made up of mud, similarly, once our intellect is immersed in a convincing realization that the essence behind the God principle and the individual ego is one and the same, whatever thoughts may arrive in our intellect, it becomes effortless to remain constantly aware of the conscious principle behind all of them, the self. No perception is possible without the eternal consciousness illumining it. So the path of seeker is the path of discrimination, such that with the perception of every object, the mind immediately gets reminded of the self. Knowledge from silent books get crystallized through discussion with one another, so repeatedly emphasized in Vedanta. Seekers experience joy during discussions and also later on remembering the discussions. When this peaks and one has become centered with constant awareness, one gains relief from the attacks of the external circumstances or inner mental moods or one's intellectual dissatisfactions. When one is looking at himself in a mirror, he is least bothered if the mirror is framed in gold, silver, iron, or wood. This preparation is the stepping stone for the intuitive flights into the highest realm of active experience in the inactive truth absolute, now unmanifest. Even the journey is full of contentment and delight. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.